Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we're out here on another sunny day and another new lake, and we are going to fish for smallmouth today. That's our primary target. We only got the afternoon, so we'll see what we can do here. Pretty much got a pretty much set plan of where I like to try to find smallmouth whenever I go to a new lake. I'm pretty much trying to hang on. Okay, sorry, there's something on the lens. I pretty much try to find reefs with rock, boulders, drop-offs, and pretty much, under like sunken islands and, steep ledges. That's pretty much where I like to start. And then I'll move on from there, try to figure them out, figure out their mood and then the areas that they really gravitate to. Because it's not the same on every lake. I guess it kind of is into an extent where almost every lake that has boulders in it and smallmouth, you typically do find smallmouth around boulders. I mean, that's the number one spot I look. And then those boulders are typically around sunken islands that are out in the middle of the lake, or just someone I don't know, just typically around sunken islands and points too, tapering points. So those are some places to check out whenever you're out on the water and looking for smallmouth. And look for those areas, and you might get lucky. And when you do find those areas, expand from there, because typically they're doing more than one thing, in a day. So, but today, that's what we're doing. We're going for smallmouth, and we're going to see if we can't find them. So come along for the adventure. Oh, got him. He rose up and ate that. He crushed it. Oh. Digging. Oh man. Nice smallmouth. There we go. I need the pliers for this guy. Don't freak out yet, buddy. Don't freak out. Get him hooked. Here. Grab this here. There we go. Okay. Now I feel better about this. I don't feel like such an amateur. There we go. Calm down, calm down. Beautiful little smallie. There was two of them down there. I saw them surface, so I threw my little jerkbait out there and got him. There you go. He's gonna go back down. He fought really hard. That was only about a 2-pounder, but he fought really hard. So what I'm throwing now, it's not the Guggen Scout. This happens to be I don't know. Well, it's a Rapala X-Wrap. I'm not sure the color, but let's see if I can get the size for you guys here. It's the X-Wrap XR8. The dive's 3 to 5 feet, and the reason why I dug that out is because I kept getting follows on this one. It's a really good jerkbait. They just weren't hitting it, so I mean, they were committing to it. So I just pulled this one out of the box. It's kind of like a perch color. Sorry, put it down on the camera. Kind of like a perch color. That's the reason why I went for it. And I saw those fish out there. They're just they're just out there. They weren't at the bottom. They were up off the bottom, just swimming around. I tossed this little jerkbait out there and they crushed it. So the problem is I should be putting this on this should be on a spinning rod so I can cast it farther, which is what we might do. But for now, we'll try this first. See how it goes. I'm marking some more fish so we can't get some more bites. Got one already. What is this? It's a smallie. He's a digger. Whoa. Here we go. A nice little smallie here. A bladed jig. Oops, sorry buddy. Sorry buddy. Oh man. He had that thing. He's got this thing sideways. Nope, that didn't work. Easy. Yeah, the pliers. He wasn't coming off. He's definitely not coming off. There we go. Nice little smallie. There we go. Got him. Yeah, that's just too big of a jerkbait. He doesn't have it very good. I don't even know how I'm going to be able to get him. He's probably going to come off. Doing everything I can to lose him. How is he still on right now? Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, he's free. Okay, stop. Hey, there he is there. We're gonna get him back because he's bleeding. Made a mess out of the boat. Went on strong though. Okay, after I cleaned up that mess back there, I feel bad I messed up that poor guy's job, but he'll be okay. He swam off real good. Check these hooks. Hooks are good. So I threw the bigger version of this one here. So I have this is XR8. This one is the XR10. You know, it's about an inch longer. I threw this one and he came up and wouldn't even bite. It went back down. Threw this one. He came up and hesitated and then attacked it. So they want the smaller bait. So we've got that figured out right now. So let's get back in there and see if we can get a couple more. Well, I've done it again. Got to press record. We got a fish. Took forever to get these fish to bite, and it's a smallmouth. Gonna net this one too. There we go. Got him. That's a nice one. Okay. There we go. I knew I was seeing smallmouth down there. Took me forever to get them to bite. Beautiful fish. A nice size fish too. Not a giant, but it's got to be a solid 2.5, 3 pounder. Nice fish. Yeah, I'm marking a ton of fish down there. Now obviously they're not all going to be smallmouth, but I couldn't get anything to bite. It's frustrating. Oh, 3 pounds. 3 pound smallie. That's a nice fish right there. Nice fish any day. All right. Yeah, let's get this beautiful fish back. They are all beautiful, aren't they? As long as they bite. Man, it takes off strong. That's what I like to see. I saw the jerk bait, the drop shot, bladed jig, which is now tangled up with a jerk bait. I'm getting eaten up by flies. Oh, what did I do here? Yeah, getting eaten up by flies again today. That's just, biting the ankles and calves. But we got one. Took a little bit, but we got one. Let's see if we can get some more out of here. So what I've done, I've changed the areas now. This happens to be a point. It gets shallow. There's some rock, and there's some grass, some sparse grass up here, and they're just floating around up in here. So we'll keep after here. We got a long ways to go on this reef, or this reef, and see if we can get some more. Here's something interested. Yep, got him. Saw that on Livescope. Fighters. This feels different. This feels like a walleye. It's a walleye. It's a good sized walleye. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a big walleye. Oh my god. Okay, so that's probably some of those marks I've been seeing. Okay. Wow, okay. Look at this walleye. That's a nice walleye. Oh, try not to kill everything. Okay, well, let's see what he measures. About 24.5. It's not a bad walleye. Cool. Okay, beautiful walleye. Let's get her back. Oh, yep, there she goes. Grabbed her tail just till she kicked at me, and good to go. All right. Okay, not our target species, but that's still fun, is it not? I don't know why it took me so long. I just started throwing this bladed jig like 2.5, 3 years ago. I don't know why it took me so long to start throwing it. This thing's a great multi-species catcher. Oh. There we go. Came back for it. Oh, it's a pike. Well, that's definitely not what we're looking for, but that's a healthy pike. Get these pliers ready. Holy gosh, he just flipped. Got him. Ooh, just in time too, because he got it in his mouth. The line. Yeah, well, the pike here too. Darn. I was hoping it was going to be a big smallie. But once he came back and got it again, yeah, then I kind of figured. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for this afternoon. We didn't light the smallies on fire, but we caught some good ones. Found a couple areas that have them, and yeah, not too bad. It's getting really hot though, and yeah, about ready to get off the water. Like I'm still getting eaten up by flies. It's really hot. I'm sweating. So all in all, we had a good day. We were able to get out, get some smallies, and learn some areas on a new lake. And got to take you guys along with me, so I really appreciate you guys watching and sticking it out through this video. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video.